Hello, my name is Nareez and I am from Pune, Maharashtra. After completing my graduation, I want to be an embryologist. So, while looking for this course, I came to know ASPIER is one of few institute who is providing this opportunity. I would like to share my personal experiences. After attending this institute has been incredible journey filled with the growth and unforgettable experiences. The management and the teachers in ASPIER is very supportive, especially Dr. Suresh Katera sir, who is not only the knowledgeable but also the very passionate about their subject, who igniting me with the curiosity and love for the learning I never knew I had, and who made me think critically and approaching the my problems with creativity and the determination. And the SPR is more focusing on the practicals rather than only the theory parts, and beyond the academics, it also provides the opportunity in a numerous way for the personal and the professional development, whether through from the internships, research projects, the practicals. And I'm extremely grateful I got this opportunity and this support I have received during my academics journey. Thank you so much.